you're dependent on another human being to help you get there. Or if you see that you've been sharing a lot of experience and ideas with another seekers, and you recognize what I'm saying is true, concept wise, then it's time to turn the awareness back to yourself, and time to do the work, real work. It's time to be mature. It's time to rely on yourself. I said just now that nobody can give you the truth. You are the only person lead you towards that. So to get there, you have to work on yourself. Work is about dismantling. It's about tracing your mind backward, tracing your suffering backward, tracing your fear backward, tracing your pain backward, tracing your conflict backward, tracing your drama backward to figure out the root cause of the surface movement that we have. Then when we see the root cause of our surface perception and action that is going on right now, then we have to dismantle the root as well. We have to subtract the root until there's nothing more to subtract in yourself. And when you go there to know mind from tracing all aspects of your life, and that makes you thorough of your mind, that teaches you how the experience turns to idea, and how idea sits in you, and how the idea becomes a reality. You understand that. When you get to that point, and when you ask yourself, who am I? That's where the real awakening happens. That's where your drama drops. That's where your fear drops. That's where your struggle, your pain, your conflict drops. That's where your ego gives up. When your ego gives up,